It's just ahead, 8:46 when searching for a business home field advantage. Search the village of Bedford Park. Now sports, here's Josh.
So the White Sox Tim Anderson drives in 3 runs for...
Wow, that was a fucking easy one.
Lose to Mexico in a World Baseball Classic matchup 11-5.
Ah! Ah! Woo! Yeah!
What are you doing, dude?
Depend on KYW News Radio for up-to-the-minute weather information sponsored by Aqua and Essential
Okay,
Utilities Company.
Wicked storm heading our way today with torrential rain.
Here comes old hot shot.
I went in there 2 weeks ago. I mean, it was kind of...
You went to the bottom floor.
Yes. What you're right. The top is not open.
The third, the Oasis, and all this other stuff is going to open.
And
up.
the trailer brakes work.
Yeah, it's tight on the first floor.
Yeah, not that good,
It
dumbass.
doesn't want to be a cavernous road. That's sort of the logic. Did you like it?
I mean, I wanted a bunch. Pretty much everything on Broadway. We popped in and out just to see what it
Dude, you fucked up your lights. That was funny.
It's still a speed limit. You gotta go though. You can't just stop. Otherwise, pull over. Dude, what are you doing? You guys see this?
Holy shit.
This guy's playing with the devil.
Oh my god.
This dude's ready to die. We about to witness death. Fucking moron. What are you doing? Fucking retard. Oh, oh, oh! 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 You fucked up. Oh! She drunk. Ma'am, you drinking? You drinking? I got you on video. You almost hit about 6 cars on that hill. You drinking? And I saw you wreck. Are you drinking? Are you drinking? I'm not helping if you're drunk. Are you drinking?
No.
Okay, well, you're driving very impairedly. What do you need help with?
The front window has ice on
Oh, geez, that is bad. Do you have a scraper? Here, I got you. I didn't realize that was your I really thought you were drinking. I'm sorry.
The fuck is that? What the fuck was that?